The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold return of one of the most beloved and stylish classic cars in automotive history. Originally produced between 1955 and 1974, the Karmann Ghia earned a reputation for its beautiful Italian-inspired design, compact size, and a driving experience that captured the essence of sporty elegance. For 2025, Volkswagen has reimagined the Karmann Ghia as a modern, electrified coupe, blending retro aesthetics with contemporary performance and features to appeal to both classic car enthusiasts and modern drivers. The exterior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a direct nod to its iconic heritage. Volkswagen has maintained the curvy silhouette that made the original a design legend, with smooth flowing lines, a low stance, and a wide front grille that now incorporates modern LED lighting. Subtle chrome accents highlight the body contours, while flush door handles and sleek side mirrors add to its aerodynamic form. The rounded rear fenders and fastback-style rear window evoke memories of the past, but they're now integrated into a fully modern body built from lightweight aluminum and reinforced steel. The Karmann Ghia sits on 19-inch alloy wheels that combine a vintage look with contemporary design, giving the car a confident and elegant presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia has taken a decisive step into the future. Volkswagen has opted to make the model fully electric, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability and performance. The Ghia is powered by a single electric motor delivering 250 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque, providing smooth acceleration and a 0-60 mph time of under 6 seconds. The rear-wheel drive layout pays homage to the original setup while ensuring a dynamic and responsive drive. A 77-kilowatt battery offers an estimated range of 300 miles on a single charge, with support for DC fast charging that can recharge the battery from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Volkswagen has also integrated regenerative braking, multiple drive modes, and adaptive suspension, making the Karmann Ghia not just a looker, but a car that handles beautifully on both city streets and winding country roads. The interior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia balances retro charm with modern luxury. The dashboard design echoes the original car with a minimalist layout, round vents, and a digital instrument cluster that mimics classic analog dials. A 12-inch infotainment touchscreen is seamlessly integrated into the dash, offering navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice control. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including leather upholstery, soft touch plastics, and brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting and a panoramic glass roof enhance the sense of space and style. Despite its coupe profile, the Karmann Ghia offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for 2 adults, with optional +2 rear seating for occasional use. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a premium audio system come standard, creating a refined and comfortable environment for drivers and passengers alike. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is positioned as a premium electric coupe, starting at approximately $48,000 for the base model. Higher trims with additional performance and luxury features may reach up to $60,000. While it's not aimed at the mass market, the Karmann Ghia appeals to a niche audience looking for an electric car with personality, style, and heritage. Its pricing places it in competition with vehicles like the Tesla Model 3 Performance and the Polestar 2, but its design legacy sets it apart in a meaningful way. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a successful revival of a classic, offering an emotionally engaging design paired with the practicality and performance of modern electric technology. Volkswagen has managed to retain the soul of the original car while making it entirely relevant for today's market. For fans of the brand and lovers of stylish, unique coupes, the new Karmann Ghia presents a compelling blend of history, innovation, and charm.